Hello, my name is George, and in this video, we're going to talk about Gold IRA, explain what it is, how it works, and what you need to know before deciding if it makes sense for you. If you've ever heard people talk about gold as a safe place to put money during rough times or as a protection against inflation, and you're wondering how that works, well, this video is for you. And if by the end you decide this makes sense for you, I've listed the top rated Gold IRA providers along with any special promos they're currently offering. So if you want to grab this deal, check out the link in the description of this video. It's an affiliate link which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now, let's get started. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a type of retirement account that lets you invest in physical gold and sometimes other precious metals. Normally, you can't hold gold in a regular IRA because the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, sees it as a collectible. And collectibles are treated as if you took the money out of your IRA, meaning you'd owe taxes and possibly a penalty. But a Gold IRA is a special kind of account that allows it. You can open a Gold IRA through brokers or companies that specialize in these accounts. The contribution limits are the same as with traditional IRAs, $7,000 for 2024 and 2025, or $8,000 if you're 50 or older. So no big secret trick to stash away huge amounts of money, just another tool in your retirement plan. How does a Gold IRA work? A Gold IRA works similarly to other IRAs, but instead of investing in stocks or bonds, you invest in physical gold. You still have tax advantages and you can choose between a regular Gold IRA or a Roth Gold IRA. A regular one lets your money grow tax deferred, and you will pay taxes when you take it out in retirement. A Roth Gold IRA works the other way around. You pay taxes up front, and later on, withdrawals are tax-free. One big difference, you can't keep the gold at home. The IRS requires it to be stored in an approved facility. That's where part of the cost comes in. You'll pay for storage and other custodial fees, and that can add up. What types of Gold IRAs are there? There are three types. The first is a traditional Gold IRA, where you contribute pre-tax money and pay taxes later in retirement. Then there's a Roth Gold IRA, where you contribute after-tax money and your withdrawals are tax-free. The last one is a SEP Gold IRA, which stands for Simplified Employee Pension. This one is for small business owners or self-employed people, and the contribution limits are higher, up to 25% of your compensation or $69,000 for 2024. What are the good things about having a Gold IRA? First, tax benefits. Just like other IRAs, your money grows tax deferred or you get tax-free withdrawals if it's a Roth account. That's helpful for long-term planning. Second, it helps with diversification. Stocks and bonds can go up and down with the market. Gold tends to move differently. That can help balance out your portfolio. Third, gold is often seen as a way to protect against inflation. When prices rise and the value of money goes down, gold tends to hold its value. That's why people have turned to gold during uncertain economic times. What are the downsides of a Gold IRA? There are a few. Fees are the first one. You're not just buying gold. You're paying to store it, insure it, and have someone manage the accounts. Those costs can eat into your profit over time. Then there's the fact that gold doesn't generate income. You won't get dividends like you would from stocks. If you buy 10 ounces of gold today, you'll still have 10 ounces in 10 years. The only question is whether the price goes up or down. Also, you can't mix traditional investments in a Gold IRA. No stocks, no bonds. It's all physical precious metals. If you want other investments, you'll need separate accounts, and the contribution limits still apply across all of them combined. What are the risks with Gold IRAs? The big ones are fees, price swings, and liquidity. We already covered fees, but price swings are another thing to be aware of. While gold is considered stable in the long run, its price can go up and down in the short term. If you panic and sell during a dip, you could lose money. Liquidity, or how fast you can get your money, is another issue. Selling gold isn't as simple as selling a stock. It can take time to appraise, ship, and process. So if you need cash fast, this could be a problem. Can you invest in gold without opening a Gold IRA? And the answer is yes, you can. You can invest in gold-focused exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or mutual funds through a regular IRA. This is often easier, cheaper, and more flexible. You won't have storage fees and you can buy or sell quickly. But if you're set on holding actual gold, A gold IRA is the way to do that. Why do people consider gold for retirement? A lot of it comes down to peace of mind. Gold has been trusted for thousands of years. It's a physical, tangible asset that doesn't rely on a company's performance or a government's promises. During times of market turmoil or high inflation, gold tends to hold its value and sometimes even goes up when other assets are falling. There's also global acceptance. No matter where you are in the world, gold has value. It's not tied to one's country economy or currency. That can make it feel more secure to some investors. Who should consider a gold IRA? If you're someone looking to diversify your portfolio and protect against inflation, and you're okay with higher fees and less flexibility, then a gold IRA could be a good fit. But if you're looking for income, fast access to your money, or you're not comfortable with price changes, it might not be the right fit for you. How do you open a gold IRA? First, you need to find a reputable custodian. This is the company that will manage your account, help you buy gold, and store it for you. Make sure they're transparent about fees and that they use IRS-approved storage facilities. Next, open a self-directed IRA account. This type of account lets you invest in things like gold, real estate, and other alternative assets. You'll fill out forms, provide personal information, and fund the account. Funding can happen in a few ways. You can transfer money from an existing IRA, roll over funds from a retirement plan like a 401k, or make new contributions within the early limits. After funding, you'll purchase gold that meets IRS standards. The gold has to be 99.5% pure. Your custodian will help you with that process. Finally, the gold will be stored in an IRS-approved depository. You'll get to choose between having it stored separately or with other clients as gold. What should you keep in mind before opening a gold IRA? It's not something to jump into without thinking. Make sure you understand the fees, the rules, and that this fits into your bigger retirement plan. It's also a good idea to talk to a financial advisor before making a decision. What's the bottom line? A gold IRA can be a smart way to diversify your retirement savings and protect against inflation, but it's not without risks. There are higher fees, it's less liquid, and it doesn't generate income. Over the long term, gold has performed well as a store of value, but it has not outperformed stocks. So this should be one part of a larger plan, not your whole strategy. And if you're curious about custodians or companies that help you set up a gold IRA, check out the first link down in the description of this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.